Hello everyone, welcome to Dentospedia, which is not just a study tool, it's your personal path to distinction in every global dental license examination. So let's begin with the new topic from the module of Pediatric Dentistry, which is Ugly Duckling Stage. So let's begin. Now see, Ugly Duckling Stage is also known as Broadbent's phenomena. So please keep this word Broadbent's phenomena in your mind. Understand? So it is also known as Broadbent's phenomena. See, it is a temporary and a self-correcting phase of dental development that occurs during the mixed dentation period, usually between 8 and 12 years. Now it occurs during the intertransitional period of mixed dentation preceding the eruption of upper permanent canines. Understand? Eruption of the upper permanent canines. Now see, a characteristic diastema or gap forms between the upper central incisors, often accompanied by a flared appearance of the upper central incisors. Understand? Now see, the cause. You can say in the image, see, the crown of the uninterrupted maxillary canines are developing in the jaw. You can see the permanent canine is erupting. Permanent canine is erupting. Understand? Now see, they will put pressure on the roots of the adjacent lateral incisor. What they will do, they will put the pressure on the roots of the lateral incisors. Understand? Now they push the root of the lateral incisors, which in turn transmits the force to the root of the central incisor. Now this will put the pressure on the roots of the central incisors. The central incisor will move distally. Understand? Now this pressure forces the roots of the central incisor. Now the roots will move medially, but the crown will move distally. Understand? This pressure forces the roots of the central incisor medially, causing their crowns to diverge or flare distally. Understand? Are you getting the point? Which creates the space. Now the term ugly duckling is used because the temporary spacing, uneven tooth size, and flaring of the front teeth can make the child's smile look awkward and unaesthetic. See, no active orthodontic treatment is usually required. The condition is self-correcting. That's why it is also called the self-correcting anomaly. Now, the diastema and incisor flaring typically resolve spontaneously when the permanent maxillary canines finally erupt in the position around age 11 to 12. The eruption of the canine shifts the direction of the pressure, pushing the incisor crown back towards the midline and closing the gap. As you can see in the image, the gap closes itself. Understand? The gap closes itself. Understand? So this was the topic, midline diastema or ugly duckling stage, which is also a self-correcting anomaly. So for more detailed video, please download our app Dentospedia, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.